Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be going over the exploit for the latest, I call it dirty net table. So it came out, uh, the exploit code was released about a week ago, give or take. So I'm going to go over that here. Where is it? It is not. Alright, so just a brief before I go over it. This is the exploit code. It works for on Linux kernels anywhere from version 5.14 to 6.6. So version 6.7 is safe, but most systems, like right now, especially on the kernel CTF, are like not version uh, 6.7. Actually, I probably can grab a kernel CTF ISO. That would be good to test on. That would be perfect, actually. Um, Now, this is a bit of the process here. I'll go over how it kind of works, but here you can see I've got some raw stuff here. I'll showcase. So how it works? Basically, it uh, causes a memory address to open up twice, the same memory address to open up twice, and on the NF tables. So it basically breaks a firewall, the IP tables firewall. It sends a special packet, and then it lets you essentially um, run some specific code to be able to leverage that memory address, and then uses a dirty page directory, which is another kind of similar to like dirty cow, another kernel exploit in the past, and then that gives us privileges. So it does work. This is what it looks like if it fails. It says fails to detect overwritten PTEs, and if it's successful, then it gives you a little shell. So, or a root session, more like. So I'm going to run through it here. I've gotten it down. There's two ways to do it, to build it and use the precompiled. I'm going to do the precompiled, and I'll try the build version, but we'll see how it works. So I've got a brand new Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu 2204. I haven't even installed it. This is brand new. So this is going to set itself up. And no, that's nifty. I'm going to add this to my sources here. Now, while that's loading, here's the NIST info. It's a 7.8 on the CVSS score, so it's pretty high. So if there are jail shells out there, you might be able to break it with this, but we'll see. It's got a good amount of links as well. There is a patch for it. The patch was released. Let's see. 403 per. This one's a penguin kernel dance. Okay. It's loading very slowly, I guess. There is a patch for it though. A lot of the distros are sending the patch for it. But anyhow, let's test it. So, going to open up a terminal. I'm going to showcase here what that process is going to look like. So I'm going to try it. You know, I'd like to make it. We'll see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to do my host first. Uname. I'm going to showcase the kernel number. This is Ubuntu. This is a 6.2 Ubuntu 2204. Okay, this is pretty common in the Linux distros. We're gonna do a few other things here. We're going to do the ID. We're gonna do just see what privileges we have. As Ubuntu, we are here with this ID 999. And we are allowed all things because this is a fresh install, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the process here. and just do it. So I'm going to first clone that repo, and we're going to see how it works. Not sell win CVE 2024 1086. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, so Git isn't installed in here, so I'm not even gonna bother with that. I'm gonna do the wget. So releases, download. This is version 1.1.0. This is just straight exploit. So I'm gonna wget that. Probably this should be on the system. Okay, it's having issues finding github.com. Let's see if this is working. Okay, Cloudflare is working. Wget https://github.com. How is github.com not being found right now? What? That's crazy. Oh no, okay, we resolved GitHub. That was weird. 404 not found. What is going on right now? Okay, let's try this again. Wget is working. https github.com/not sell win /CVE 2024 1086 releases, download version 1.0.0 /exploit. That's really strange. Oh wait, it downloaded it. That was weird. So now I'm gonna make it executable like this, and then I'm gonna clear that, and I'm gonna run the exploit like that. All right, so this is what it does. It just creates a username space. It does all the empty tables. It found a possible kernel base, and great. So now it has moved me into root. So that was pretty fast too, actually. And just to confirm, let's look at the. I'm gonna upgrade my shell. Use Python. So we're gonna do Python. We're gonna do command import pty, and then pty.spawn. And we got /bin/bash. That should probably work. Okay, cool. So you can see right now, sudo l. We're going to do ID again. We're root for sure. And that's how this exploit works. So it's pretty interesting. I wonder how many systems and boxes can be looked at now because of this. This is a really easy privilege escalation, and it works on pretty much all Linuxes right now, except for like the really new ones. So that's that, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay sharp.